Howdy folks, today we're going to do an unboxing of the latest Weber Q. So let's have a look at what we've got. Here's our Q. It is mostly all put together for us already. So now we see everything that comes in our box. We've got the shell of our Q already mounted and on its feet. A pair of grills, our new front-facing drip tray with a drip pan in it, ready to go, and our side tables, which didn't come with the previous versions. It's fairly simple. As we saw, instructions were on the inside flaps of the top of the box. We'll start with, it's as simple as about 6 steps. Our drip tray, our grills, our side tables, 1, and 2. So we'll note we have the premium baby Q, the 1200N, which comes with the thermometer. Thermometer is now mounted on the top, as opposed to the older models, which were mounted on more to the front. We just line that up, pop our wing nut on the back, and that's good to go. Phillips head screwdriver, take a couple of screws out. You'll note there's a couple of braces. If you get the rotisserie, that'll help with the heat shield that comes on the front. So a little tricky. I find just do one at a time. It's probably the hardest part of the whole build. Finger tight, tighten it up with a Phillips head. I've got a couple of little silicone grommets here, so your lid doesn't clang anymore. Now a battery, that's simple as pop into the back here. As long as it makes that noise, we're good to go. That's our newest baby Q, the 1200N. We've also got 3 other in our range. We've got our 4 colours, our magnificent black, midnight black. We've got a charcoal grey, and there is the smoky grey, and all 4 units will come in all 4 colours.